Welcome in the Mastering Spring Boot 2.x course. My name is Tomasz Olek and I am a software engineer, programming mostly in Java and Scala. I am also a fan of microservices architecture and functional programming. I was creating production applications with Spring for past 6 years. So let's see what we'll learn throughout this course. At the beginning we'll be building configurable Spring application with dependency injection. So we'll be looking at this one of the most important techniques used in a Spring world. Then we'll be designing REST components for high performance. So we will see how to create REST APIs that work very well. First section will be about deploying our applications in the cloud. We will be using Spring Eureka for service discovery. Fourth section will be about managing and monitoring application in cloud with Actuator. So we will add an Actuator Spring to expose metrics, health checks and so on. Fifth section will be about creating a non-blocking reactive flows with Spring Reactor. So we'll create reactive non-blocking flow from API to repository. Sixth section will be about testing Spring Boot applications with all available techniques. And finally, we'll see how to build resilient cloud applications using Hystrix and Turbine. There are a couple of prerequisites, so you need to have, of course, understanding of Java and also HTTP. You need to have an IntelliJ IDE installed and modern laptop or desktop. And this video is targeted at Spring and Java developers who have basic knowledge of working with Spring Boot, and the viewers should be familiar with Spring Boot basics and have an understanding of its benefits over traditional Spring framework-based applications. Let's see what you will learn in this course. So, you will learn how to implement Spring patterns and techniques to make your Spring application more robust and fault-tolerant. You will design robust API by leveraging the richness of the Spring ecosystem. Also, you will make your application testable and maintainable by employing production-proven techniques. So let's go to the first section that will be about building configurable Spring apps with dependency injection.